welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to install our 82 to 92 Camaro Firebird lower steering column bearing kit. Here we are showing you the old versus the new. This one is the old clip, this one is the new clip. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. The one on the top is the new one. As you can see, the one that's on the bottom was a little bit stretched out. Here is the old retaining cap. Not good, not bad. Here is your new retaining cap, all shiny and black. Here is your old bearing, clearly crusty, dusty, got to go. Here is your new bearing, all shiny and fancy and ready to be installed. The new part uses a bearing instead of a plastic bushing for a better steering feel. It will not fix the common problem of the tilt steering columns wobbling. That is fixed by replacing a bushing near the steering wheel. Remove the old bearing by using a small screwdriver to release the clip. After removing the clip, you will also be able to remove the retaining cap. Use a screwdriver to remove the stock bushing by gently prying on the white plastic tabs in a couple of different spots. And just slide your old one off. Slide the bearing with the attached white bushing into the column, aligning the large cutout and the two smaller cutouts. Make sure the tube seats and the plastic housing and the edge of the bearing is facing outward. Centering the bearing, carefully push the retaining ring over the tube, aligning the slots and the opening with the housing slots and openings. Install the snap ring into the three grooves. Make sure the snap ring seats in all three openings. You may need to tap it into position. Grease the inside of the bearing and the installation is done. Removing the steering column is not necessary for this. It was just easier to show in a video. Now we're going to show you the installation on your car. You will remove the old bearing by releasing the clip. After removing the clip, you will also be able to remove the retaining cap. Then you can remove the stock bushing. Here is your old crusty dusty one and the new one. And your old rusted out retaining cap versus your new shiny black one. And your order will come with written instructions. Using oil, WD-40 or grease will make the bearing installation easier. Just gotta get it all up in there. Slide the bearing with the attached white bushing into the column, aligning the large cutout with the two smaller cutouts. Make sure the tube seats and the plastic housing and the edge of the bearing is facing outward. Centering the bearing, carefully push the retaining ring over the tube, aligning the slots and openings with the housing slots and openings. Install the snap ring into the three grooves. Make sure the snap ring seats in all three openings. You may need to tap it into position. All done. Look at that. It is better than new. All right, y'all, that is it for today. Leave any questions or comments below, and y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.